How to log into NatWest Bank online banking account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can log into your NatWest Bank online banking account. You can do this on a web browser or also on the NatWest Banking app. Now open up any web browser and on the search bar you want to search for NatWest. Now tap on this website, which is natwest.com. Once you land on this website, you also have the option to download the latest app by tapping on the download button. If you want to continue on the website, tap on the login option at the top left corner of your screen. Now, for the login, step 1 is to choose either your customer number or your card number. If you want to log in using your customer number, you can enter it over here. This is your date of birth followed by a unique identification number. If you have forgotten your login details, you can tap on this link that says forgotten your login details in order to retrieve it. Now, if you want to use your card number instead, tap on card number and then simply enter your card number over here. Now, if you want these details to be remembered, check the box that says Remember Me. However, only do this if you're using a personal computer or a personal device. Now, you want to tap on the Continue option. Step 2 is to enter your password. So go ahead and enter that. Once that is done, simply tap on the Login option. And after the required verification, you will be successfully logged into your account. If you are new here and you have not set up your account yet, you can simply tap on the Sign Up Here option. Once you tap on this, you will have to now enter some of your details here. Then follow the on-screen prompts in order to create your new NatWest Bank online banking account. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.